just purchased these clear document wallets from Officeworks. They're only like $2 each. They're really cheap. And I think this is a great way to look after your original drawings. A lot of the time when you finish a piece of art, we keep it in a book, or we forget about it and move on to the next thing. And it's important to obviously look after your older work. So I get a piece of cardboard like this, and that'll just ensure that the work is kept straight. So if I store it somewhere, it's not going to get bent. I get my original drawing. This is an older one by me. And then I catalog it like this, put it in here, and yeah, done. It's protected, won't get wet, and I think it's a very simple, very cheap, like this was only $2. Cardboard you can get really cheap, and it's a really good and effective way to preserve your artwork for when you're famous. Really want to make more weird experimental art like this. It's so much fun.